Hobby Lobby's is 66% off today, so we are gonna go see what they have left of Christmas stuff. We're gonna go maybe check out 2 or 3 Hobby Lobbies and just see what we can see. So let's go.
Santa's workshop at the Spirits of Scrooge escape room.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear.
Alright guys, so Hobby Lobby, I went to 3 different Hobby Lobbies, and of the 3, 2 of them didn't have very much stuff at all. Very condensed, a lot of things picked over and broken. But my 3rd Hobby Lobby, so the 2 Hobby Lobbies that didn't have a lot of stuff were on the nicer side of town, so more, I guess, I don't know, influential type people shopped in that area, so everything was just gone. The 3rd Hobby Lobby I went to is more in the middle part of the city, so it had tons, I mean tons of stuff. So that is where I decided to pick up a few things. So let me show you my small haul that I picked up at Hobby Lobby again. Hobby Lobby hit 66% off today, so make sure you run out and try to get what you want because things were flying off the shelves. I tried to film, guys, and I wasn't able to film as much as I wanted to because it was so crowded and so congested. I just couldn't film. So I showed you what little I could. Now for the haul. So next year I want to do something a little whimsical and fun here in my lounge. So I picked up this little elf. Isn't he cute? Elves typically have creepy faces to me, but this one, look at his little face. He was so cute. I thought he would be perfect and my grandchildren would like him. So I picked him up. He was normally $29.99 at 60% off, and what is that, like $12.60, something like that. But I thought he was oh so cute. He was the only one that I found that wasn't broken, so I picked him up. I also wanted to get a white Santa mug, and why do Santa mugs have to be so pricey? So I was on the hunt for a white Santa mug, and I was able to find this one with a little Santa face, oh so cute. This was $2.72. I don't know how much it was originally because the price tag is missing, but I thought he was too cute and would be perfect in my neutral home, so I picked it up. Also, I found this little tree, and it goes perfect with my modern Christmas trees that I picked up from CP2. This was $15.99 at 66% off, so I thought this was perfect. I only found the one, so I don't know. I don't think I'll go back out to Hobby Lobby because it's so crazy out there. I'm not doing that again. So we'll have to settle for the one. Now, I was on the hunt for that stringy Christmas tree that I showed you guys earlier in the Christmas season. It was right after Thanksgiving, or probably even before Thanksgiving. And I'll put up a photo here, and I was just so hoping that it would still be available because it sold out online very quickly. I saw them in tons of YouTubers' homes, and I didn't want to pay full price. You guys know I always shop off season, so I was hoping I was going to be able to find the tree, but alas, I was not able to. Or the tree skirt that I was looking for, but I saw these cute little knitted stockings, and I thought they were cute. They were $17.99, and at 66% off, they were like $6, something like that. So I picked up 2, which I thought was really cute. And to go along with that, I found, where did they go? Oh, snowflakes here. These were $7.99 at 60% off, 66% off. So I thought these were cute. Again, goes perfectly with my theme. So, I don't know. I did Winter Wonderland the year before. This year was more modern and aesthetic. So I wanted to, I switch my theme every year, but I want to be able to still use items that I already have to incorporate into those themes. So I don't pick up a lot of stuff, but I wanted it to be a little more whimsical next year for my grandchildren. So I picked up this sign that says believe, and it was $24.99 at 66% off. So I picked that up. Sorry for the bags. And I also picked up one that says joy, and it was $14.99. And then one that says Mary, and it was $19.99. So I thought that was just really, really, really cute and would be a perfect addition to my whimsical theme next year. I saw this sign too. It's double-sided. One side says all is bright and one says all is calm. This was $12.99 at 66% off, so I thought it was cute. And I don't know, I might use it for Christmas decor, or, you know, I could always paint over it and use it in my kitchen for my dishwasher, even though I'll have the one from Hearth and Hand that says clean and dirty. But this one's a lot bigger, easier for my boyfriend to see. So let's say clean on one side, dirty on the other. So I went ahead and picked this up as a potential for a DIY. But I might keep it as it is. And then I saw these cute little stocking holders, and I couldn't pass them by. They were so, so cute. So there's this Christmas tree. This one was $17.99. So blingy and glam. Perfect, because you know, I decorate in modern glam. So I picked up that one, and then I also picked up the little snowflake snowman, and he is so cute. So I thought these would be perfect again for like a Winter Wonderland theme for next year, because I have the stuff to do that. So these would just be additions to that. So I picked up 2 trees and 2 snowmen. They were like $6.72, something like that. So I thought that was really cute. And so I saw the cutest little gingerbread lady. It was a little gingerbread girl. She was so cute. And I was like, why would I buy that? I would probably never, only decorate with it once, never buy it again. So I didn't pick it up, but I kept thinking about it. Do you ever do that? You like see something in the store, you're like, oh, should I get it? No. And then you get home and say, man, I should have got that. And that's what I'm thinking, I should have got that. And maybe I could do like some whimsical gingerbread type, Polar Express type theme here in my lounge for my grandchildren next year. So I don't know, I might go back out to Hobby Lobby to see if I could find them, but probably not. But in any case, I did go ahead and pick up this cute little train. Look at this, so cute. It reminds me of the Polar Express train, and I thought it would be so cute and whimsical for my grandchildren for next year. So I picked it up. It was $20. After the 66% off normal price was $59.99, but I thought it was so cute. So it will go with my whimsical theme here in my lounge for next year. And the last item that I got that I thought would be perfect, because again, to go along with that theme of Winter Wonderland and the Polar Express and gingerbread people, I saw this sign that says the North Pole Bed and Breakfast. I thought it was so, so cute. This was $49.99, so like $17. What is 66% off? But I thought it was so cute and would be perfect for the theme. So guys, that is everything that I picked up today on the Hobby Lobby 66% off sale. So if you didn't know, now you do. Run out, make sure you pick up the things that you might want for your home to decorate for Christmas next year. This is the time to buy. As a matter of fact, I have done quite a little bit of shopping, not just for Christmas, because stores are discounting their inventory for the year and selling it off at a discount to make room for the new items that are coming in store. So I picked up quite a few things. I ordered something from West Elm, from Crate and Barrel, CB2. Don't tell my boyfriend. I told him I wasn't going to bring anything else in the house. But the prices were so good. So anyway, once those items come in, I will do another haul for you guys showing you what I picked up. So if you've had your eye on anything in stores, even though it might not be Christmas related, go check out those stores because now is the time to get the best deal. So yeah, I hope you liked the haul. Leave me a comment down below. Are you thinking about next year's Christmas theme and what you're going to do, or am I the only one that does that? I can't be the only one, right? So leave me a comment down below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, my name is Cheryl. I love shopping on a budget. I love decorating with style to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you're into as well, I would so appreciate it if you would smash the subscribe button and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I hope you guys are having an awesome holiday, and I will see you in the next one.